Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to get through the first setup on your THERMOMIX TM6. To begin, you'll need to plug it into power with the cable that's extendable on the back of your device. Later, you'll need to turn it on by pressing and holding on the power button. Once you see the Work logo, you can now just release the button and wait until it turns on. Now the display is turned on, so let's select the language and go further. Let's scroll down until we find English or any other language you want to set it in, and select English or that language. Now go further and then select the region. I'll leave it on United Kingdom, and let's go further. Then connect to a network. You could skip that, but connecting to a network is very helpful in order to use Kukido, which is the service where you can download recipes of the internet and display them directly on your display. Now, if you want to connect, then click on Search for Networks and find a network. Now, there's a high chance that 5 GHz networks won't work. You can see I have 2 networks of a similar name, and one of them doesn't contain 5G in it. And that network should work. The one with 5G may not work. So if you have 2 networks, make sure to try the one that doesn't contain 5G. Enter its password so it can be sent to, connected to the network. Now let's go further. And now it asks me to sign into my Cookidoo account. If you don't have one, you can create it on your on your mobile device. You could also skip that, but it's, I think, very helpful. It is paid though, but you get 1 month for free if you create an account. So I'll just show you how to create it. I will use my computer, but you could as well use your mobile phone. Go to Kukido. Cookidoo. Let's search for it. Yeah, now I should be able to find it. I just want to change the language though. Okay, now I'm on the website and we can click on sign up. Let's enter our email address. And then set a password that you would like to use. Now select your country of residence and select that you have read and accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. Then click on register. Now it'll send you a confirmation email that you'll need to click on the link in order to verify. You can see this is my Gmail, and now let's click on activate my account. And now I could log into it, or I think I could log in on the THERMOMIX now. So why don't we do it? I'll just need to click on the email field first and enter my email. As well as the password. Once the email and password are entered, you can click on login. Now it'll get me through the next steps once I click on next here, and it'll give me some safety attachment instructions, like I shouldn't use any attachments or items not recommended or sold by Firework. Now, there's some other safety instructions. Make sure to read them and to comply to them to prevent any issues later. It's everything like very important for safety. And now our devices are ready. Okay, now there's this warning. I'll get out of it, and then it tells me I can see some modes and tools and learn more about them, or I could explore recipes. I would need to update the software. I'll click on later, but I recommend doing that before you begin. And you can see there are different recipes in our Kukido since we've signed into the account. Full like guide on anything that you'd like to learn more. Feel free to just look for on our channel, because I'll record lots of videos about the device, so feel free to check them out. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.